What's up guys, welcome back to my channel if you're part of my 39 subscribers. If you're not, my name is Steve Daniel and I help content creators make money. So about a month ago, I started this YouTube channel really to focus on creating better content for you content creator. If you're a photographer, videographer, graphic designer, influencer, right? But then I was like, you know what? This is also a YouTube journey for me to understand better how to make better YouTube videos, to understand how to create better content. In today's video, I want to talk about 5 things I've noticed that I've learned over the past month as a new YouTuber, but also that will help you watching this understand the reality of YouTube and to create better content as well. So guys, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so the first thing I want to talk about is about being consistent, right? It's very important that if you're on a YouTube channel, you want to be sure that you're consistent. For me, this channel is really about posting 2 videos a week, Tuesdays and Fridays. And I just want to be sure that whoever watch my channel, whoever subscribe, actually knows like every week you're going to see 2 videos. And this is something very important when I talk about being consistent, because that was one of the main mistakes I made with my other channel where I was very not consistent. So I wouldn't get really much subscribers right away. But consistency is not only about the numbers of video you post every week, but it's also about your content, right? So this channel is very focused about helping content creator at the end of the day, right? So for me, I've realized by the fact that if I'm consistent with my video, people will actually watch one and watch another one and understand that whatever I talk about usually will be related to a previous video. The second thing is actually to be patient, right? You start a new channel, it's not like TikTok. I did a TikTok once when I only had 4 followers, and that TikTok ended up having 1.4 million views, which brought me over 6,000 followers overnight. YouTube right now, I don't feel like it's like that, right? So you have to be patient. Post your video. I use TubeBuddy for the tags to be sure that I can have the best SEO when it comes to my video, description, tags, and title. Be patient and trust the process. Right? We're not gonna have 1 million views right away, but think about it. YouTube is a search engine, right? So for me, I can see that my videos are getting more and more views every day because I actually create content that people search about. So guys, just be patient about it. The third thing is do not hesitate to ask for feedbacks, right? So I'm part of this Facebook group from this girl, Annie Dubé, a girl from Montreal, and she's actually helping a lot of new YouTubers. And what I've realized is that she created a community that will actually help you understand and create better content. For me, I was asking feedbacks for my thumbnail, right? So my thumbnail used to be like that. As you can see, a lot of words, me and the same background here. And basically, when I put it and asked for feedback, people said things like, too many words, colorful background. So what I did is I took that and I switched it to make those type of thumbnails that you see right now. A lot more colors, less words, more direct, bigger words. Those thumbnails looks better in a way, but also my click-through ratio is actually pretty good since I did that, right? So my thumbnails are bigger, are more colorful, and I feel like it's actually helping me getting more views as well. So never hesitate to ask for feedback, maybe for that, for your video content. Ask your friends what they think about, just to be sure that you can create better video, right? The fourth thing I want to talk about is the average view duration, which is very important. How long are people watching your videos, right? When I make my first videos, you could see those type of numbers, right? I was not really hitting the 40% mark, right? I had some videos having like 20% mark as well. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna focus on making content that people will actually stay and watch, because I might not get the crazy number of views right away, but at least I know I'm creating dope content. I'm creating content that people want to see. When I'm having like average view duration in the 40%, 50%, for me makes me happy, because it means that my content is good, is direct, and people actually enjoy it. So as a new YouTuber, I would suggest that you look at these numbers, you look at these stats, and I have another video that talk a bit more about the YouTube Studio analytics and the latest video performance for you to make better videos. But take a look at that and make sure that you understand how you can make better videos, because at the end of the day, being a YouTuber is like making your own show at the end of the day, right? This is something that you definitely want people to come watch your videos, but you don't only want them for the views. You want people to actually stay. You want to be able to build a community. You want to be able to create content that people will, content that people will fuck with. But let me just say, they create content that people will love. And the last thing is actually to make a playlist channel. So basically what I mean is that in the beginning, I talk about being consistent and making sure that your videos are usually about the same subject. When you make a playlist, so I have a playlist right now, people will actually watch one. I realized that in that playlist, people will actually watch another video that I've made. My playlist right now is how to make money and YouTube tips. In my other channel, I've realized that my playlist about the vlog, what happened usually, let's say it's a travel vlog, my travel vlog in Guatemala actually, people will actually watch the first one all the way to the 7th one, right? Playlist is very good way for you to actually separate your type of videos for people to understand, okay, those videos are really like something that complement each other, but also for you to understand how you can actually make dope content, for you to make content that complement the previous one. That being said, the 5th thing that I talk about, the 5 tips, the 5 tricks, the 5 things I've realized as being a YouTuber in the past month is actually being consistent is important, being patient, asking for recommendation, focus on your average view duration, and the playlist channel. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you for another video. Peace.